I just built a custom AI UGC ad generator workflow with which I created this insane looking AI UGC ad.
Just finished the hardest session of my week, and these held up perfectly. Flat sole, locked in fit, zero slip. If you're serious about lifting, you need a pair.
And to do this, I combined Claude AI with GPT Image 2 as well as Seedance 2.0. And to access all of these in one simple workflow, I used the latest Higgsfield AI Canvas feature, which is absolutely amazing. So no longer do you need to jump between these different features or models, but everything happens inside this one canvas. And if you want to use the same prompts and structure and workflow that I just did, make sure to click the link in the description because you will find a direct link to this workflow, so you can just clone it and start to use it on your own products. Alrighty, so let's build this AI UGC video ad generator workflow from a complete scratch here inside Higgsfield AI Canvas. And you don't need to have any prior knowledge on how to use these AI workflow builders. These are super intuitive, and that's the reason why they are such popular these days. Now, as the first step, I want to specify what kind of product I want to create this advertisement for. So I will right click somewhere over here in this infinite canvas and I can click on upload. And just an example, let's use this Adidas squatting shoe photo. Now, the next step we want to do is we want to create the UGC actor for promoting this shoe in the UGC style video. And to do that, we can use the Claude AI text generator mode. So what I will do next is I will zoom out a bit, then I will hit right click and I will choose LLM assistant. And now this is essentially your Claude conversation, but it lives inside its own node. So you can enter your instructions over here and you can choose any AI text generator model you want to use. And for example, I will do Claude Sonnet 4.6. Now here is the prompt. And since you have a direct access to this workflow, I'm not going to read through this entire prompt right now. But a key part here is that I tell the AI that I am creating a UGC AI video ad for this product, and then I'm entering the URL of the product. So the product page looks something like this. So there's all sorts of information about this product, and I enter that in over here into this Claude Sonnet prompt. Then I tell to analyze the product. Then I tell that I want to get a really authentic and honest and genuine spot-on AI UGC actor. And then I also tell the AI that I want to get back a prompt that I can feed into an image generator. And then I also tell that I want to be accurate with the audience of this kind of a product. So we don't want to have some random person who would never use this or in a random environment where they would never be with a product like this. So my goal is to make this prompt so that you can use it with any kind of a product you might be promoting. So you don't need to specify, for example, that a man performing squats, but you can just add your product URL over here and the image over here, and the AI should do just as good of a job. So I've done some work for you here as well. And now for good measure, I will also add this image into the image port of this LLM node so that the AI can also see this exact product. And this will help us because we want to make this product appear in our photos and videos and look exactly like this. But now all I need to do is just hit generate. And now here we get the result. So here is a description of an athletic man in his late 20s who is pretty much exactly what I envisioned to get given this type of product. And now what we need to do next is we need to connect this into an image generator node. So this is essentially just the prompt with which we want to create the photo. So let's choose image generator. Now you can choose any one of the leading image generator models over here. So that is one of the powers of a platform like Higgsfield Canvas. So you don't need to jump between tabs or subscriptions. You have access to literally everything over here. But I will use the GPT Image 2 model. I think it's the best right now. Then we can choose 9:16 aspect ratio. Let's go with the 2K resolution rather. And then one thing we still need to remember is that we also want to connect this product image into the image port of the image generator, just so that it knows that it looks like this, or that the shoe looks like this, that the person should be holding. And then all we need to do is just hit run pipeline. And there we have it. Here is our image of the AI UGC ad influencer. And this looks ultra realistic. It looks exactly like a real person. It is very non-polished, which is exactly what we asked for. So we don't want to do studio style images over here. And then also if you pay attention to the shoe that he is holding, it looks exactly like the original photo we dropped into the conversation. And now that we have our image and the product and the person is holding the product in his hands, then it is time to write the video script for our short AI UGC ad. And to do that, we're going to connect this picture into an LLM assistant node, and we're going to use the Claude Sonnet 4.6 again. And once again, I'm not going to read this out loud because you will have a direct access to this prompt. But basically, I'm just telling the AI that I want a short 15-second script that the person in this image should read out loud in the video so that it's relevant to this product. And then I will just hit generate. And now we get something like this back. So it is describing the person, which is pretty much irrelevant because the AI already knows that it looks like this. And then here we have the spoken line. So just finished the hardest session of my week, and this held up perfectly. Flat sole, locked in feet, zero slip. If you're serious about lifting, you need a pair. And then we also have some audio instructions as I requested in the prompt. And now that I look at this spoken script, it is probably not even 15 seconds in duration, so we can do a bit of a shorter ad this time around. So now all we need to do is we just need to connect this script as well as the image into a video generator node. So I will move this one over here, and now let's do exactly that. So let's drop a connection to a video generator node. Let's choose Seedance 2.0 model because the latest and the best model. Then we can choose the duration. So let's do 12 seconds. And also I'm not going to confuse the AI, so I will just delete this where it says 15 seconds. So let's get rid of that. Then for this one, let's do just 480p resolution, and let's do the 9:16 aspect ratio. And this is important, so remember to tweak the sound on. Otherwise your clip will be entirely muted. And then there is one more thing missing, because now we also need to drop a connection from this image into the image port of the video generator so that the AI knows exactly what this person will look like and what this product is like. Now with the script and the audio instructions as well as our image, we can just go over here and hit generate. And here we have it. Here's the result video that I got.
Just finished the hardest session of my week, and these held up perfectly. Flat sole, locked in fit, zero slip. If you're serious about lifting, you need a pair.
I mean, that is just so fantastic. It sounds like he's in a gym. It doesn't have a robotic voice or stare. And this looks like a spot-on, candid video that the guy has just sent over to his gym goers WhatsApp group or something like that. And I absolutely love the fact that Higgsfield is taking us to this direction. So when you just enter their website, this looks like a total mess. You have all these models and features and everything available over here, but with this kind of a workflow builder, you can actually soon build everything inside one canvas. Basically, what I built here in this video is essentially an AI UGC video generator app. So now you can just add your picture here and enter your website URL over there, and then you will get an entirely different result. And if you choose this entire thing, you can actually run this in one go. So you can actually click Run Pipeline. So I think this makes things so much easier. And now what you can also do, very similar to what I have done here in the video, is that you can share this with your peers. So you can go public and then you can set the access level. So you can do, for example, that default role is a viewer. So people that are watching this one, they cannot edit this workflow, but they can easily view and clone this. And then you'll just copy a link and send it over to your friends. And obviously, this one has its limitations. For example, if you paid attention, if we check the Seedance 2.0 model, you can add some input images over here, so you can do 10 if you want, but there's no clear start or end frame. So you need to do some gymnastics in the prompt in a way that the AI actually understands what's going on. So that is something that is still missing here in Higgsfield AI Canvas, which is present in other similar tools, for example, like FreePix Spaces or Magnific these days. Nonetheless, that is how you can create your own AI UGC video ad generator app inside Higgsfield with just a couple of simple prompts and nodes. And make sure to check this one out if you want to access my prompts and if you want to do this with your product. And thanks so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a good day.